everyone, and welcome to Tea Time Tuesdays. The goal of this channel is to bring you foods that are quick and easy, and of course healthy. Today we will be making picante popcorn. Picante in Spanish means hot and spicy, but the picante step is completely optional. For this amazing popcorn, you will need ghee. Ghee is a clarified butter, and if you do not have this, olive oil or butter are alternatives. Next, we have organic popcorn kernels. These are very easy to digest. That is why I prefer them. Seasonings of your choice. And of course, if you would like the spice. Bowl mixing utensil. And a microwave. So to begin, we will be putting in just a teaspoon of your ghee or butter. And next, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels. Okay. And now, using my mixing utensil, I'm just gonna make sure that the butter, ghee, or olive oil, whichever one you're using, is evenly distributed around all the popcorn kernels so it's easier for them to pop. All right, lovely. Now, you might want to put this in your microwave in 30-second increments just to make sure that none of them are burning. And what I like to use is a splatter lid, and this helps to prevent the popcorn from flying everywhere. The way that you know that your popcorn is ready is once it started to pop, and after about 30 seconds of it consistently popping, there will be 2-second increments in each popping sound. That is when you know that most of your popcorn kernels have been popped. And we will see you after most of our popcorn kernels are popped. So our popcorn came out and it's amazing. And it was originally overflowing, so I kind of ate some. So it's time to dress it up with seasoning. We're gonna start with a sprinkle of salt and a dash of pepper. Black pepper, I think it's a much healthier option. And now, my favorite, we have chili paste. Just gonna put just a bit on. There we go. Now, we're gonna take a little lid to help mix it up. There we go, okay. Oh, this is a bit hot, so I'm gonna grab my napkin to help mix it up. Kids, you might wanna ask your parents for help with that, or you can grab a napkin too. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Oh. Okay, and I'm just gonna mix it up a bit with my fork again, just to make sure that, oh wait, never mind, it's pretty good. Okay, you can use your fork if it was not evenly distributed, but wow, this is amazing. All right, thank you very much for staying with us today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.